Okay. What is slope? Slope is how fast something goes up, you know? Like if this green line goes up like this, that's you have to find out how far does it go up for y in terms of x. Okay? That's what slope is all about. The formula for that is m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So in this question, there are 2 points. One is 2, -3. Another one is 0 and 4. So we assign these names for it. The first one is x1, y1, x2, y2. This turns out to be 4 minus -3, 0 minus 2. That equals to 4 plus 3, -2. So that turns out to be -7/2. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay, what's the next question?
The next question is number 5, I believe. Let me check. Pretty sure it's 5. Next question is number 5, yeah.
Okay. It's exactly the same thing. So I'm just going to write down the work. M equals to 4 minus 6, 2 minus 2. What is that? -2/0. Unidentified. You know, when something is over,
Yeah. Anything over 0 is undefined, right?
No. If you have 0 at the denominator, it's undefined. That's the critical thing.
Okay, 0 the denominator, undefined.
Yes.
Okay.
Next question.
Okay.
Chapter.
Next question is number 11.
11. Okay. So you pick up the 2 points here. The 2 points. Look at the graph, and you can see that from the graph you can pick up 2 points: 3, 0, and 0, 5.
3, 0, and 0,
Here's
5.
one. M.
Five over -3, so it's negative. Okay. So this is the same one. It's just we're looking at it from the graph perspective.
Excuse me. Yeah. Because I got a cough. Sorry. We got minus. Do you understand what I did? Can you follow the work?
Yeah.
I picked up the 2 points.
3 and 0, and then we got 0 and 5, and then we just use the same thing.
Exactly.
Okay. The next one is number 17.
Okay. I'm going to send you a copy of this so you can pick up the notes at the end of the session. I'll make it create a link quickly. Let's see. So I put it on the chat. You can go to chat and you can copy the link. It's going to be the same notebook. It's the same link, so you can pick up the note at the end of every class. Okay? That's the link for you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So you don't have to copy things as I go because you'll have everything there. Okay. Next question.
Next question is number 17.
Number 17. Okay. So you need to know y equals to, look at this. this is, what does it say? That says that one is the slope. And this b is the y-intercept, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now, what is the equation here? The equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 6, right? So your goal is to make it in terms of y. So y needs to be alone. So what do? You need to get rid of that 3x. So you subtract 3x first, okay? When you do that, what do you have? 2y equals to negative 3x plus 6. Divide both sides by 2. Y is equal to negative 3 over 2 x plus 3. So what does that tell us? That tells us this is the slope, and this one is the y-intercept.
Got it.
Okay? And what is the x-intercept? To find x-intercept, what you can do is you can plug in y is 0. You plug in, once you have the equation, you plug in y as 0, which is 0 equals to negative 3 over 2 x plus 3. So how do you find that other one? You just take it to the left side. You have 3 over 2 x equals to 3. I need to multiply both sides with the reciprocal. The reciprocal is 2 over 3, basically the flip of it, okay? So you need to do the same thing on this side. What you end up with, 2 and 2 cancels, 3 and 3 cancels, 3 and 3 cancels, x is equal to 2. That's your y-intercept. X-intercept.
X-intercept equals 2.
Okay?
Okay.
Make sense?
Yep.
Okay, great. All right. Next question that's difficult.
23 is the next one.
23. Okay. I'm video recording this. I'll send you the video at the end of the session also, okay?
Okay, thank you.
23. Okay. Okay, the equation you need to know is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, right? So if the slope is negative half, you can write this as y minus negative 2 equals to negative half x minus that equals to 5. So y plus 2 equals to negative 1/2 x plus 5 over 2. Okay? So you subtract 2 from both sides, you have y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus, this is just 2.5, 2.5 minus 2. That's like negative 1/2 x plus 1/2. Make sense?
You want to go on to the next question? Okay, the next question is number 33.
23?
33, yep.
30. We have 2x that means this slope. See those two? Those two are important things, right? So we're going to use that -2, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what you have here is, if you take the equation is going to be y minus y1 m times x minus x1. So it's y minus 1 -2 minus 4, which is -2x plus 8. Add 1. So y is equal to -2x plus 9.
Okay, so let me see. When -2, you moved the -2 over, so you can make y equals, right? Like you just subtract it and put it on one side.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is this underneath that when it says y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1?
Say that again one more time. Sorry.
What is that equation underneath underneath that when it says y minus y1 equals x? No, equals m parentheses x minus x1.
Oh, what I did was here. I took that m, I changed it to -2. And the x1 is 4, because those are the points, right? Given in the question, the points are what? 4, 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's a point. And slope is
Mm. So y equals m is the slope. Okay. All right. Let me go to the next one. The next one is number 35. There's only two more after that.
35, okay. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay. All right. So you do it like this. Okay. So formula is y equals to mx plus b. So we see that x plus y equals to 4. So I'm going to take the x to the other side because my goal is to write it in terms of 1 y. Okay, that's -x plus 4. Okay. So the slope is -1. And this is, okay, make sense? Right? So the important thing is, when you know the slope, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? I don't hear you suddenly. Hey, hello. Hello, are you back? Hello? हाँ बोलो. हाँ আমি শুনছি. আমি শুনতেছি. আমি জায়গা থাকবো আমি ঘুমায় যাবো. আমি শুনতেছি. না আমি শুনি না, আমি এখন শুনতেছি. কথা বলো না. আমি কি করবো? I have nothing to else to hear. I need to listen. Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I hope it stays.
Yeah. You're back, right?
Yeah.
So do you see my question? Do you see what I was doing? The work I did?
For which number was this? 35?
Yeah, that was the one we were working on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we know the slope. Now we need to find the perpendicular slope. When you know the slope, the parallel slope is always the same. Okay? But the perpendicular slope will be -1 divided by that. So it's a -1. The parallel slope would be -1. Perpendicular slope would be -1 divided by -1, which is +1, right? So our new slope, the perpendicular slope is +1, okay? So what do? We know it's going to be y plus y1 equals to m times x plus x1, okay? So that equals to, so we should do y, actually y minus, not plus, y minus. I think I wrote it wrong here. So y minus, what is that? It should be -5 equals to 1 x minus 3. That's like y plus 5. So add 5, subtract 5 from both. Y is equal to, actually you add 5. So, hold on, what's going on here? Oh, you subtract 5, sorry. You subtract 5. And minus 5. Oh, the point is +5. Sorry. Yeah, there you go. Our point is +5. So you have, you subtract 5 from here. You should add 5 here. Subtract 3. So you add 5 to both sides, and you have x plus 2. Okay? So that's it. That should be the answer.
Okay, thank you.
Make sense? I will end up losing about half an hour, half of the time today. If you want, I can give you a free half an hour tomorrow to make up the lost time. So.
That's fine.
Okay. What's the next question you want to do?
The next one, there's only 2 more, so 37 and then 41.
Okay. So what's the table? Okay, started with the table. Then you have, so in 0, and 0 here, 600 here. This is 5,000. This is 11,000. So okay, so yeah, that is the picture, right?
Mm-hmm.
It will be y equals to, because we know the y-intercept, so y will be equal to 5,000. That's the y-intercept plus the slope. Slope is plus 60x. Okay? Slope is 60x. So yeah, that's how it should be, right?
Yep.
All right, and so for B, it should be why is this 5,000? That equals to 60 plus 4x, okay? That should be the cost function, average cost function, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then if x is 20, what happens? If it's, so you plug in AC, average cost is 20. That should be 60 plus 5,000 divided by 20, which is plus 250. And okay, so average cost for 20 units is $310. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
per unit. Make sense?
Yep. You hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any confusion?
Nope.
Okay, next question.
Next one is 41.
41. That's the last one you said, right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So, in the beginning, the book's price was, the time was 0, it was 1,500. And when time was 10, the price was 0. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I know 2 points here. One is 0, 1,500. Another point is 10, 0. So what is the slope? Slope is, we do 1,500 minus 0 I mean, actually, we can do the other way. No, let's do the 0 first, okay?
Mm-hmm.
0 first. Negative 150, okay? So it goes down. Okay, so let's see. What is the equation? The equation is supposed to be y minus y1 times okay. So y should be equal to 1500. Make sense?
Yep.
So the equation is w, depending on the t, that is going to be negative 150x plus 100, or plus 1500. Sorry, it's t, not x. Whatever the t is, you change the t, and that's it. The equation will look like, if you draw the graph, it will look like something like this. The 0 is 1500, minus 10 is down to 0. Okay? Actually, it doesn't exist below 0 anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So it should not exist before 0 either. Okay? That should do it.
And yep, that's the last question.
Okay. All right. Do you need any practice questions similar to these, or do you have enough questions in the book? Maybe you're better off just doing the book question. The other questions that are not homework for test.
Yeah,
I can
exactly.
give you additional work from outside, huh?
Yeah, the questions that aren't homework. That's what I do for practice.
Okay, I mean, if you need more work, I can give you more work. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so let me, anything else you need to go over tonight?
Nope, that's it. You said you're gonna send the